With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students. Now we're going to see this question. The question says that basically a prism of mu is equal to 1.5 has the refracting angle of 30 degree, and the deviation of monochromatic ray is normally on the one surface will be. Okay, so basically we need to find the deviation of the ray. Okay, so basically what is it given in the question? I'll explain you with a short diagram. That in the question there is a prism. Let's suppose this is our prism. Okay, of this angle, basically refracting angle is given 30 degrees. So basically the angle of prism is given to us as 30 degrees. So this is basically 30 degrees. Okay, and also it is given that the ray of light is basically falling absolutely normal to first surface, one surface. So basically if we draw the ray of light, okay, on the first surface, it will come just like this, absolutely normal. Okay, normal to the surface. So if ray of light is like this, means it will go also off like this only. Okay, means it will be absolutely it will be going absolutely in straight direction. But over here what will happen, now the perpendicular changes. Okay, this is the new perpendicular. If you see this surface, the new perpendicular is basically this. So this is basically the new perpendicular. So now if you see properly, there is an angle between angle of incidence I. Okay, so what will happen, since it is going in a rarer medium from a denser medium, what will happen, it will move away from the normal, means the emergent ray will come out somewhat like this. Okay, let's suppose it comes out somewhat like this, and normally it would come out absolutely like this. Okay, in normal cases it would have come out like this. Okay, so if you see properly, the emergent angle is basically this whole angle is emergent angle. But if you see, the deviation is basically what, this is basically the deviation. Okay, so I explained you with the diagram. Now what we'll do, we will find this angle I. So angle I is equal to what, basically if we see this triangle means this triangle. If we see, I am showing you which triangle, this triangle. Okay, if we see absolutely this triangle, if you see, so we will see that this is a right angle triangle. Why? Because this ray is coming at a 90-degree angle, so this will basically become 90 degree. This is 30 degree, that means this angle becomes 60 degree. Okay, because triangle has total angles, sum of total angles of triangle is equal to 180. So from this we will get this as 60, and since this whole is basically perpendicular, this is basically a perpendicular angle, so I will become equal to 30, because I plus 60 must be equal to 90, because it is perpendicular. So I will come out to be 30 degrees. So incident angle came out to be 30 degrees. So now we will use the Snell's law. So what is the Snell's law? N1 sine theta, basically sine I, must be equal to N2 sine R, where N1 I is the incident angle and R is the refracting angle. Over here R can be written as E, so I'll write it as E, emergent angle. So N1 is basically over here, this is mu is basically 1.5. Okay, so N1 will be equal to 1.5. So I'll write mu1 so that you can understand more clearly. Okay, and here mu2. Mu1 is the refractive index of incident medium. So it is 1.5. Okay, into sine I, I'll take it that side. So what we'll have, sine E divided by sine I. Sine E divided by sine I. And mu2 is basically 1, because mu of air is equal to 1. That's quite understood. So now what we'll get from here, we will be getting 1.5 will be equal to sine E, we don't know, so sine E will leave it like this, and sine I is basically what? So basically we'll put sine E over here, and sine I is basically 1.5 into sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree is basically 1 by 2. That's quite understood. So what we'll have, E will be equal to sine inverse 0.75, and in the question itself it's given that sine inverse, basically sine this is equal to 0.75. So 48 degrees 36 minutes can be taken as sine inverse 0.75. Okay, that's quite understood from this statement. Okay, so 46 degrees 36 minutes is basically the emergent angle. 46 basically 48 degrees 36 minutes. Okay, so now we have to find the deviation angle. So emergent angle is basically what? The deviation angle is emergent minus this angle. If you see, so this angle is basically what? This angle will be simply I. If you see, I'll name this angle also. Let's suppose this angle is X. Okay, so angle X is basically what? Deviation we need to find. Deviation will be equal to del, which will be equal to emergent minus angle X. So basically angle X will be equal to 30 degrees. Why? Vertically opposite angle of I. Okay, so basically this is why it is 30 degrees. So we will get emergent angle, we got this. So we will have 48.36, basically 48 degree 36 minutes minus 30 degrees. So here we will get 18 degrees 36 minutes. So this is basically our answer. The deviation will be 18 degrees 36 minutes. Hence our answer will be option number A. Got it? Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.